This is Marion Anthony from San Diego, California, and I've been in the family court warrior business for almost 3 years. It expends nearly up to $1 million, if not over, and it's an extremely corrupt business. Anybody who gets any experience with the family courts has to understand a couple things. I think most important first, it's not a court of law. It's a magisterial court. It's operating as a for-profit corporation contracting with the state. If you can move your case as soon as possible to a federal court, do it. Because then perjury isn't just a slap on the wrist, it becomes a felony. So take consideration of where you are and what you're doing, because the state courts, it's a bar fight. The trial courts are a bar fight. They don't expect anybody to act with any decorum. I mean, what do they call family court? It's called liar's court. So they're expecting everybody to lie. Don't lie. Use the law on your side. And one of the most valuable pieces of information I could share with anyone is to find law books. And if you're like me, go on eBay and find yourself some secondhand law books for a decent price. For example, Witkin, you get all the California civil procedures or whatever state you're in. You can buy the law books, but this is basically what my home law firm looks like. This is one case. Okay, this is one case for about 3 years. This is what it looks like. And I've got Black's Law Dictionary. I've got the Family Code. I've got searches and seizures. I've got judicial conduct and ethics. I've got my daughter's ice skates. And I've got all these law books that I'm taking notes from when I make any notice or response or pleading or request for order. And you can spend $300,000 on a good attorney, be my guest, but you can buy those used law books for a couple $1,000 and the answers are right there. The reason you're paying for most of these attorneys is to get the information that's in those books because they have all the volumes. If you're like me, do it yourselfer, buy the books, do the research. Unfortunately, I've already gone through the great expense of paying for perfumed lawyers, but at the end of the day, I found how they were getting the answers, and now I'm circumventing them. So for all you guys out there in the family courts, my heart goes out to you. It's tough business, but there's a good way to do it, a smart way to do it. And I hope that this message helps people out there in the method of reaching or obtaining justice, because it's not easy. They're counting on you to quit because it's so difficult. They're making it insurmountable, counting on you to give up. Don't. Stay vigilant.